for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.